in this video we are going to discuss about one more bug bounty browser extension which is called Wayback Machine. So we all know that why we use Wayback Machine at the time of reconnaissance. So basically Wayback Machine archives all the application previous data, and we can basically see the not found data as well in that Wayback Machine application or extension. So basically let's see how the extension looks like. So here, Wayback Machine Chrome. So here here is the extension for Wayback Machine. So you just need to simply click on install, and you'll get the extension gets installed in the Chrome. So how to use this is basically very simple. So you just need to click on the icon over here and enter any target domain. Let's say example.com. Okay. So here you can get oldest data of that particular target or the newest data of that particular target. So there are many features in Wayback Machine Chrome extension, but most usable feature in Wayback Machine extension is like URLs. So you can basically look out, check for JS files, and if there are any open redirect parameters that are there, like return, link, or file parameters. So you can basically filter out all those kind of parameters, and you can find open redirects or SSRF vulnerabilities or cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. And you can also look out for JS files and look out for secret keys, API keys, or secret tokens that are being leaked in the JS files. And also you can retrieve the endpoints as well. So so let's see how this particular target looks like when we click on URLs in Wayback Machine. So when I click on it, so Wayback Machine will check all the records of that particular target which you have given, right from the first day of that particular target has been hosted on to the internet, and till the latest date. Okay, so let's toggle this and see. So this is the latest. It is from this particular application is from 2002. Okay, and till 2023 it's still active. So that this particular uh, application is active from 2002, and all the right from the day one, that particular all the data that is included in this particular example.com is being archived by using Wayback Machine application. Okay, so let's see how we can filter out the JS files or JSON files, or using MIME type filters, and also you can basically look out for the parameters and all. Okay, let's see for any of the latest application, which is let's say real-time application. So let's take Notion.so. Okay, this has public bug bounty program, so we can basically hunt for it. And as you can see, these are the list of URLs that are there. There are 200 pages which are listed in this, and you can basically filter out using URLs or MIME types or file extensions or the parameter names, etc., etc. So let's see. So first we wanted to look out for a list of URLs that has .js files in it. So just enter the .js. So you might get .json files or .js files. You just need to click on anything, like just right click on this, and if you see there's some of the URLs might not work. So you just need to check each and every URL which is there. So let's see, and if we find any vulnerable file in it, you can see the list of JS files that are there. And let's see filter out based on the MIME types, like text /HTML, Okay, so all the text slash HTML files URLs are being filtered out over here, as you can see. Okay, now let's see filter out by parameter names. Okay, so let's find out some open redirect vulnerabilities. Redirect. Okay, there are no redirect parameters that are there in this records. So let's see about URLs. Okay, so there are some URL parameters might be existing. Okay, let's see about file. Okay, file. Okay, so let's say, let's take another target. Let's say wellsfargo.com. So here the list of URLs that are archived for this particular target, wellsfargo.com. So there are many URLs that are being archived in this web archive application. So let's filter out by first JSON or JS files. So you can see there are plenty of this asset links. That is not present. Okay, let's go to the next page and see verify.json. Okay, yeah, so in this way you can basically look out for all the JS and JSON files, and let's see based on the content type now. So these are the list of URLs that are there existing for MIME type text slash HTML, and let's check out for parameters to find open redirect vulnerabilities. Redirect, no. URL, yes, there are few links that exist URL parameters in it. Okay, all these are GIF files. Okay, we see some URL over here. Just go there. Right. So basically, in some cases, this particular application redirects this to this particular given URL. So in that way, we can find out, open redirect vulnerabilities at the time of reconnaissance. Okay, let's see the file parameter as well. Okay, yeah, there are no file parameters, and let's see some, a list of URLs that consists of parameters in it. So here are the list of URLs that has parameters in it. So you just need to click and just perform cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, etc., in this kind of URLs. Yeah, I hope this video helps you on how to use this particular extension and at the time of reconnaissance and find some open redirect or SSRF or cross-site scripting or sensitive information leaks at the time of reconnaissance. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.